Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well at your places. My name is Nader and I am your chemistry teacher. In the name of Allah, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today our discussion topic is summer vacation task of class pre-9th. This task consists of three sections. Section A, multiple choice question, section B, short question, and section C, long question. First of all, I am going to discuss with you MCQs and how to attempt these MCQs on your given sheet. Student marks the correct option of these MCQs that are provided on your worksheet. Now I will discuss with you section B that contain short question. The first question of section B is write the defect of Rutherford atomic theory. So I will give you the concept of defect in Rutherford atomic theory. The first one is classical physics suggests that electron being charged particle will emit energy continuously while revolving around the nucleus. Thus the orbit of the revolving electron becomes smaller and smaller until it would fall into the nucleus. This would collapse the atomic structures. This is the major defect in Rutherford theory. According to classical physics, जब भी कोई चीज़ कंटिन्यूसली एनर्जी लूज़ करती है तो उसकी एनर्जी कम से कम होती जाती है. लाइक इलेक्ट्रॉन, जब इलेक्ट्रॉन न्यूक्लियस के अराउंड रिवॉल्व करता है तो वो कंटिन्यूसली एनर्जी लूज़ करेगा और एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा कि वो न्यूक्लियस के अंदर गिर जाएगा. दिस वुड कोलैप्स द एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर. तो इस तरह एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर कोलैप्स हो जाता है जबकि न्यूक्लियस का एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है. The second one is if revolving electron emit energy continuously, it should form a continuous spectrum for an atom, but a line spectrum is obtained. अगर रिवॉल्विंग इलेक्ट्रॉन कंटिन्यूसली एनर्जी इमिट कर रहा है तो हमारे पास जो स्पेक्ट्रम आता है वो कंटिन्यूस होना चाहिए, लेकिन जो स्पेक्ट्रम इलेक्ट्रॉन की एनर्जी का मिल रहा है वो है लाइन स्पेक्ट्रम. दिस इज़ द टू मेजर डिफेक्ट इन रदरफोर्ड थ्योरी. A new scientist Bohr removed these faults. Bohr formulated new explanation and a new theory to remove the defect of Rutherford atomic model. The next question is differentiate between shell and subshell. The answer of this question is shell. Shell is defined as circular path around the nucleus in which electrons revolve. Shell is also called energy level or orbit. Shell is represented by capital alphabets K, L, M, and N. The next one is subshell. Subshell is divided into subshell. Subshell is also called subenergy level or orbitals. Subshell is represented by small alphabets S, P, D, and F. The next one is define isotopes and also write isotopes of hydrogen. The answer of this question is isotopes. Atom of an element that have same atomic number but different mass number. So we can say the isotope of an atom contains same number of proton but they differ in number of neutron. They have same atomic number but they have different mass number. So I will discuss with you here the isotopes of hydrogen. Hydrogen contain three isotopes. The first one is protium, deuterium, and tritium. Protium. In case of protium, the atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and atomic mass of hydrogen is also 1 because protium contains number of proton 1 and number of neutron 0. So atomic number is the number of proton, that is 1. Mass number is the number of proton and number of neutron. In case of protium, number of neutron is 0. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. We say atomic mass of protium is 1. The second one is deuterium. In case of deuterium, the atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and atomic mass is 2 because it contains number of proton 1 and number of neutron 1. So atomic number is 1 and atomic mass is 2. Atomic mass is 2 because number of proton plus neutron 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Tritium. In case of tritium, the atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and atomic mass is 3 because it contains 1 proton and 2 neutron. We can say the isotopes of any element differ in number of neutron. Isotopes have same number of proton but they have differ in number of neutron. The next one is section C that contain a long question. Explain how Bohr atomic theory differ from Rutherford atomic theory. I will give you the concept of main difference between Rutherford and Bohr theory. Rutherford theory was based upon classical theory, while the Bohr theory was based upon quantum theory. The main difference between Rutherford and Bohr theory is the Rutherford. According to Rutherford, electrons revolve around the nucleus. According to Bohr theory, electrons revolve around the nucleus in orbit of fixed energy. रदरफोर्ड ने जो न्यूक्लियस रिवॉल्व कर रहा है उसकी पोजीशन और उसकी जो है ना फिक्स पोजीशन और पाथ को डिस्कस किया वाइल द रदरफोर्ड डज नॉट डिस्कस द फिक्स पोजीशन और फिक्स पाथ वेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन रिवॉल्व अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस जबकि बोर ने इलेक्ट्रॉन की स्पेसिफिक पाथ और स्पेसिफिक पोजीशन बताई जिसको ऑर्बिट या एनर्जी लेवल का नाम दिया गया अकॉर्डिंग टू रदरफोर्ड एटम शुड प्रोड्यूस कंटिन्यूस स्पेक्ट्रम while according to Bohr atom should produce line spectrum. Rutherford said that electrons around the nucleus revolve continuously and the spectrum produced by the electron is a continuous spectrum, while according to Bohr theory, electrons revolve around the nucleus in a fixed path or fixed position that is known as orbit or shell. When electrons revolve in a specific orbit, it does not lose or gain energy. When it jumps to higher orbit, it gains energy, and jump lower orbit it reduces energy. The spectrum that is obtained by the energy of electron is line spectrum. The last one is atom should collapse according to Rutherford theory because electron being charged particle will emit energy continuously. वो एनर्जी कंटिन्यूसली इमिट करेगा और एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा कि इलेक्ट्रॉन की एनर्जी ख़त्म हो जाएगी और वो न्यूक्लियस के अंदर गिर जाएगा अकॉर्डिंग टू बोर थ्योरी एटम शुड एग्जिस्ट एटम का जो एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर है वो एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रॉन रिवॉल्व इन अ स्पेसिफिक पाथ इट डज नॉट प्रोड्यूस और लूज एनर्जी कंटिन्यूसली इट लूज एनर्जी only when it's jump from higher orbit to lower orbit and when jump from lower to higher it gain energy. These are the main difference between the Rutherford and Bohr theory. Wish you all the best student. Thank you.